Hi, my name is Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. Today we're going to look at how to clean a stainless steel pan. If you like this tip, you can go to my website greencleaningcoach.com for more. So this is my beautiful stainless steel pan. The great thing about it is things rarely actually stick inside there, so you don't really do a lot to clean it. Although I can tell you that last night we did burn something inside there, and this is how we got it out. What we did was we filled it with about a ½ inch of water, and then I added some baking soda and just sprinkled it in the bottom of the pan. I let it sit for a few minutes, and then after it sat, the part that I burnt came right up. It was amazing. So remember that baking soda is a natural lifter, and what it does is it goes underneath the item that you burned on the pan and lifts it right up. You can also use the baking soda if you feel like there's any spots or anything on the bottom of your pan that you want to get off. It's very nice and gentle, and it won't hurt your pan at all. If you still find that you have some things that aren't coming off, you can add a little bit of salt to it, and that'll be a natural scrub. Between the two, you can get almost everything that's sticking on there off. There's some other things you can use to clean your stainless steel. They have some commercial grade cleaners. This is more of a cream, and also Bonami is an old favorite back from the 1800s. Really, this has just got some simple ingredients in it, and it's a lot like using the baking soda and the salt together. I use this more on the bottom of my pans, so we'll clean this part up. And if you have a spot that's underneath that you can't get off, like right there, you can again use the same baking soda salt combo, or you can add a little Bonami to it. Just be patient, a little bit of rubbing, it'll come right off. That's the beauty of stainless steel, is it's stainless. Nothing really makes it so that it stays. You do have to be careful. Do not put it in the dishwasher, and you even have to be careful with some dish soaps because you don't want them to react with the stainless steel. Other than that, it's a simple process, gentle soap and water, and you're on your way. That's it. Happy cleaning.